I'm like, here we go again. They wanna know what I'm doing, but now I can't let them in. I'm feeling like a varsity nigga, yeah, what my level mean? I peep all y'all forecast nigga, yeah, I'm the weatherman. Tell me, look, here we go again, yeah, they hating on the youngin'. I made something out of nothing, my little bro cut to no button. Everyone take nothing, to kick you in your shit like I'm Chris Sutton. Like, yeah, I won't go for nothing, like, no, I won't go for nothing. Hey, tag me in so I can toe tag him, we tag him in back. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch how I stack him. I'm on a hunt like a slave on it, yeah, just watch how I rock him. Yeah, and all you niggas run, I got the cheese, so watch how I track him. It ain't gon' take time to catch me or FaceTime. Never hesitate to up and watch how I bang mine. Crazy how your brother had got hit with that same line. Feds asking questions, I hit him with the same line. I'm gone, let me tell you that this chase was intense. Yeah, Trump got behind, so I had to jump the fucking fence. Yeah, nigga, you gon' catch who? Bitch, you got me bent. And if you ain't with this shit, stay your ass up on the bench. And you know that ain't you, little brother. Yeah, I'm clutching on that super cutter. Hit her, make that nigga fucking stutter. Fucking on my teacher daughter. I'm a dirty motherfucker. You ain't put in on this man. Feel like Chris Tucker.